Hello, Tech Buddies. Welcome to day 12 of our 21-day Webflow portfolio challenge. So right now we are going to be doing from dark to light mode redesign, which we are going to be doing on Webflow. So let's dive in right now. So right now I'll come to settings here, then I come to backup. Do you understand? Then I'll create a new backup and I'm going to name it light mode redesign. Quite cool. So light mode redesign. So this is it here, and I'm going to open it and style this. So we are going to be styling this to light mode, which we are going to be working on navbar and other sections of the website. So we don't much time. One thing you take note of here, we are not using this for light because I noticed that this changes here cannot save. Like it will tell you read changes will not be saved in read only mode. So it's in read only mode. I don't know, maybe because we are using free version. Do you understand? So right now I would come to the body, and in this body I'm going to just change the font, the background color. So scroll to background. Okay, this is the background color, and we'll change it to white, which is quite cool. Then I will change the color to black, pure black. So I've done that already, which is quite cool. You can see that. So let's preview this and see how it looks like. So I've previewed that and we've seen how it looks like. So the next thing, oh, there's some things that have not changed, which we are going to be working on. So let's come to this grid here. Let's come here, div block. In this div block, open the div block. In this div block, let's change every element here to white. See for ourselves, because everything has to be in white. Which is gonna be making sense now. Yeah, so everything there should be white, which is making sense now to us. Yeah, should be in white. So let's scroll down. Footer 2. Everything in this section should be white. Let me just add everything in the section to be white, because why is that section black? Yeah, so making sense now. So let's style our button, our form. This form. So we're going to be adding transform and adding a border radius. So let's add box shadow. So the box shadow, let's increase the blur. Blur over 80 pixels. Okay. Increase the size. X, which is quite okay. This. Nope. I think it's cool like this. 6.8. So let's preview that too. Yeah. So we've been able to style that, and that is going to show on every other pages. So one thing which I want us to style now is the nav bar. So let's go to the nav bar and change the color, the form, and come to the nav bar. So this nav bar right now, I would, okay, so let's change the background color here to white. Okay, let me leave the nav bar to black. Let's leave the nav bar. I think that's looking cool. It's looking cool. Let's leave that. So let's just go to our next page, contact us. I will see that changes we made should reflect in the other section. You see this, so it's white. So here I'm just going to come to the body tool and give it a class of body. Let's give it a class of body, which is making sense. Yes, so I've given it the class of body, and I'm going to style the next page, which is going to be the works templates page. So I'm going to be styling this right now, which is going to have a class 2 of body, and I think this is where we are going to be having much work. Okay, let's go back to our contact us. I think let's go back to our contact us. I didn't think, look at me here. So let's come here, come to our body, remove class. So I remove that class, and I'm going to be adding body again. I think that is cool. The problem about this is that it doesn't save. That's the thing. It doesn't save. Because if we decide to go back, let me decide to go back to home page. Okay, it shows here. Let's come back to our contact us page. I don't know why it doesn't save. Okay, you know what I'll just do is renting this from body all pages. So body all pages, let me set it here now. Settings, come here, come to body 3, style. I think I just have to put the background color here to black, to white. I think that is good. That is good. Making sense now. Oh, and the text to black. Yeah, this is making sense now for this page. So now we are going to work on the project templates, work templates page. So this will come to the body here. So the body here is going to be having background of white, FF, and color of black. In this container, there are some project headings and some things here. So let's come here and change this to black. Let's pick the second one. Project heading. Black, and leave the opacity, which is quite cool. So we are going to be working in one of the sections here. A lot of things here. Okay, instead of this, should I just come to the section here? Okay, it didn't really reflect on the section, so I'm going to be doing them one by one. Project info, black. Color, change it to black. Okay, these two black. Don't know why this is not dragging. Um, yeah, black. So link block. Let me go back to the link block and add the background color that should be styled like a button. Link block. So let's add the background color. Let me see what we gave the button top. Okay, I think I made a mistake by pushing that. Same color that was above. Then add of 10. So let's go add some padding and margin. Just add 10 here, 10 by the left, 10 by the right, and 10 by the left, which is quite cool. Let's change the text inside to white because we made it black. Text to white. Yeah, so I think we are done now, which is making sense. So our project section, you can see that. Okay, yeah, let's change it to white. Oh, that was a mistake. Ctrl Z. I think I was working on background color. That was a mistake. So come to this and put it as white. So yeah, so we're done with black to white display, which is making sense for every pages. You can see that. So let's come to work. Okay, I think we've not linked that. We've not linked those sections. So let's view project. Just view project. I think it's not working in this section because it's read only. I think that's why it's not working, because of this mode. So that's all we have to do for this. So make sure you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and make sure you share with anyone who is interested in watching this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.